welcome to the channel. I use better product to clean all this. I don't know if you can see, but it's all dirty and it's not clean. Look at this one, it's the same. So I'm gonna see if we can. Got this. So supposedly now my plastic looks like this, so hopefully it looks like that. So I'll let you know if this one is good or not. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so what I did first, I used the step 1, and you can tell all that brown thing is come out for itself. This is from this one, and this is from the other one. So now it looks like that, and I start sanding with the 2000 sandpaper like that. So far looks cleaner. So let me wipe it up and see how it looks. Well, now it looks like that. So, but this is the first step, and then I'm gonna give the second one. Let's see. So now I'm going to sand this one and see what happens. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is the second step. Just sanding, but looks like I'm a little concerned because it doesn't look clear. But I'm gonna use the third step, which is this one. So let me see how it looks. So take a look. Wow, it looks very clear to me, but I don't know, hopefully it's gonna stay like that. Hopefully it's gonna stay like that. So I do this and do this. So like that. So I'm gonna take a picture and like this, and have a picture before and like that. All right. I think it works. Looks very clean to me. think I'm gonna use the other one for the other side because looks like it's one. Sorry about that. I'm gonna use it over there. Alright. So let's see. I think it works. Alright. So that's it. Yeah, I think it works. It looks good. It looks really clean. I was a little concerned because it wasn't clear. And now it's really clear. Alright guys. Alright, I think it works. Alright guys. See you later. Bye bye.